Level up your podcast today by learning how to easily upgrade your Buzzsprout plan. First, head over to Buzzsprout.com and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll see your familiar dashboard now. To upgrade, let's navigate to the Settings section. This is usually found linked in the top menu of the dashboard. Within Settings, you'll be looking for the Billing or Subscription section. This area is where all your plan options are displayed. You'll find a clear comparison of the different tiers, detailing things like monthly recording hours, storage space, and any additional features. Here's where the fun starts. Browse the different plans to see what suits your growing podcast needs. Each tier, from the free to the pro versions, has unique benefits. Maybe you need more recording time from the podcaster plan, or perhaps the expanded audio storage and advanced analytics of a studio or pro plan will help with your growth. Choose the best plan for your podcast. All you need to do is select the upgrade button next to the plan you want. Afterwards, you may be prompted to review your payment information and accept the new subscription terms. Before confirming your upgrade, double-check the features of the incoming plan. Once you've confirmed the upgrade, your account will be upgraded and you can enjoy the advantages of more storage, increased episode publishing capabilities, or more advanced features, and that's all there is to it. Cheers to the future of your podcast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.